Hello everyone. The points A 5 comma 3 and B x comma 5 are on the circle with center O 2 comma 4. Find the value of x. See here there is a circle. There is a point O 2 comma 4, right, and there is point A 5 comma 3 and there is point B x comma 5. Okay, so the distance from O to A is nothing but radius. O to B is also radius. So what we can say, OA is equal to OB, that is nothing but the radius of the circle. Okay, so distance from O to A and distance from O to B is same. So what we can apply, square root of OA means 2 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square is equal to, coming to OB, it will be 2 minus x whole square plus 4 minus 5 whole square, right? So square root cancel, then I will get 2 minus 5 whole square is minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 square is 1 square. Here we will get 2 minus x whole square plus 4 minus 5 whole square is minus 1 square. So minus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 2 square. We can solve in simple way without doing that. See, 2 minus x whole square plus minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 and 1 cancel. So we'll get 2 minus x whole square is equal to 9. That means 2 minus x is equal to root over 9. We'll get plus or minus 3. Okay. If 2 minus x is equal to 3, 2 minus x is equal to minus 3. Right? What will happen? Minus x equal to 3 minus 2. So minus x equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Right? The same way, minus x equal to minus 3 minus 2. X is equal to 5. Therefore, option B minus 1 or 5 is the value of x. Thank you.